What are you going to tell us? A story about what?
About Indians and coyotes in the new school that Wisconsin was in Arizona. Once upon a time, when the teachers had to drive through to the new school, they had to go through an Indian tribe. They saw two children outside, a boy and a girl with a broom. A coyote was chasing their chickens because there were lots of coyotes around. But they were outside chasing the coyote, trying to hit him with the broom. And so you drive to the school, and you teach them a little, but then the principal says on the intercom, just send the children, call their parents and send the children home. After you do that, go home too. And so I was like, what's going on? But, the way that you get in is you have to park in the parking lot. There's lots of coyotes around. You have to honk your horn. And then besides, then out of running because she doesn't like coyotes. And so, the principal got on the intercom and she said to call their parents and send them home. After that, you go home. And so I was like, what's going on? So she called the parents, and the children went home. Then she went out to the playground where they are. There's lots of buildings around the playground. And there were a couple of teachers out, and she's like, what's going on? Look. And she looked to the left. There are Indians. And they wanted to dance to get the bad spirits away out of this, so that the children can learn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good job.